Good day. Here we have electronic flow controller. So as you push the down and up key, in up key there is no response. While when you are pushing the down key, there is a response. Actually this controller output is a pulse to reverse and forward the action of the motor. Okay, so we have to remove the controller. So in removing the controller, first you have to remove the cassette terminal block. Okay, then unfasten all the lock. Then you can remove the controller at the front panel by pulling it. Okay, now we have new push button card. So just remove 4 screws at the back and pull the front cover. Then this is the push button card for this controller. Just remove like this. Okay, now we already removed. Now we will put the new card. So we will install this card. Okay, here is the old card. The upper key doesn't work. Now we completed the controller. Now ready to install and test the controller. Okay.
Now coming down. Okay, coming down. When you put now, go up and then check up. No, put up one.
Go up.
Coming up? Oh, okay. Very good. Very good. Now you can check the outside mirror. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.